Ekene m gị onye mana ege m ntị n'ụbọchị nke taa biko na video is about video Udogachi. Enwebugo mgbe m mee video about this organization called Udogachi. Mgbe m mee video about them. Si Soludo. Disband these people now. Disband ha. Ani Igbo enwego insecurity too much. Insecurity na Igbo dey too much. Then security outfit no na Igbo is uncountable. Amazi ndị bụ ndị. An average Igbo person dey bad na-eme gịnị na feed on people's pain. An average Igbo man dey bad na feed on people's pain. He organized go vigilante. Vigilante has been existing even before I was born. Ohejiwe malo obodo. Vigilante has been existing even before I was born. Mgbe ha na-akpọ na ha ndị nche ndị obodo pụta organize ndị nche ndị side ache this week, ndị side nke ọzọ eche next week, ndị side nke ọzọ eche upper week. That was how I met it. Before I amagị na na-akpọ ha vigilante. Then ọ na-apụta organize Ebube Agụ. Ebube Agụ ka ebe Ebube Agụ nọ today. Amara ebe ha nọ, amara ihe ha na-alụ. Then ịbịa na union, enwere ndị aka odo. Those ones are terrorist organization on their own. Ha bụ terrorist organization on their own. Then afọ ọmụọ Udogachi. Enwere ihe m ajụjụ nchọrọ ịjụ. Gwa kenenu m onye isi dị mma nọ n'Udogachi. Onye isi dị mma nọ na vigilante. Enwere ebe na somebody is doing well. This person if ya Imaya sin onye abụ onye vigilante that he has been doing well even before join that organization. Imakwa na ihe niile jule ebe ahụ bụ gịnị bụ tout. Ihe niile jule ebe ahụ bụ tout criminals. Ihe niile jule na those organization niile ahụ recruit na ana Igbo anyị bụ tout and criminals bụ ihe jule there. Ihe a na-eme weta isi lie m ego. Weta isi weli isi ka ha na-eme there. What the level of training a na-enye ndị mmadụ ka a na-enye ndị anụnwa ha ji ezuzuli ha n'izu mgbọsị aka ofu onye nwụchalụ kolos na-adakpi na ngọta is security personnel na-adakpi na ngọta. All these things jụ na ana Igbo anyị still ha jụ ihe na-eme a na-atọ mmadụ n'ike. Anaghịzi ekwu okwu police, anaghịzi ekwu okwu SARS, anaghịzi ekwu okwu operation nka, anaghịzi ekwu okwu operation nke ọzọ. How many people are languishing na Tiger Base dị n'Imo State? Udogachi nwezi their own cell. Vigilante nwezi their own cell. So the problem is not that na ajụ ihe na-eme. The problem is who are those people empowering them? Who are those people empowering them? It's also a warning to the youth to weapon aka n'ihe ọjọọ. At least when you were mgbe ejidegode ka ama yes na onye a na-aka ya dị ọcha. First of all, iwekwube ama a lot of people aka ha dị ọcha has been wasted. Mana ka afụgodu gị na aka gị dị ọcha first of all. Because mgbe afọ niile eme ihe dị illegal, that is where ha nwakwu ya eme gịnị eme ihe dị illegal. Standing their ground to do something like illegality against you. Keta video na trend no nke ejeje gba nwatakịrị youth couple ọtọ. Keta ịgbazi nwaanyị ọtọ bụzi enugu bụzi nnọọ mago no Martin. Agba youth couple ọtọ. And the only thing Anambra State PRO ekwu that that case has been on since last 2 months.
Anambra State Police Command is aware of a trending video of where a corps member was assaulted in Oba community of Idemili South local government. We wish to condemn this act and say it's totally unacceptable and very, very unprofessional of the vigilante operatives. However, the command wants to state some facts clear that this video is not a recent development of the command. It happened sometime last month, and I am aware that there has been investigative proceedings that have been going on in that regard. The command also wished to state that the unavailability of the victim have further stalled the investigative proceedings, because I personally have contact with her, but she said that as soon as she comes into the state, that she will come to the command. While we are waiting for her to come forward to assist us in some of the facts that are clear, I wish to also let the members of the public know that the suspects involved in this particular unprofessional and condemnable acts has been identified. And we are also working with the leadership of the vigilante group to make sure that we get justice for this victim. Having said that, I wish to also acknowledge the fact that these vigilante operatives have assisted us in making sure that the stability of the security in the state has been very, very formidable. Let me state another fundamental fact that is very key to this. The Commissioner of Police, in the person of CP Ikoyi Orutugu, when he took over as the Commissioner of Police, noted the fact that these vigilante members needed to be trained. And he wrote to the Inspector General of Police, and the Inspector General of Police graciously approved this training and reorientation for these vigilante members, and they were trained. And we are also working with the stakeholders, the leadership of these vigilante members, to make sure that we get justice for this core member. And we wish to also state that assault of any kind is a criminal offense, and the command will not condone it, and we condemn it and make sure that this incident does not happen again. As the operations of the vigilante members are now embellished, we're working with the security operatives in the state to make sure that such incident doesn't happen again.
So what have you people been doing for the past 1 month to bring these guys to justice? The question is, last month in order to bring this girl to justice? Which statement did you people release? Release a statement about it. So we don't know lessons last month to bank it. What a shame. What a shame. Kedu onye na-eme ofuma no n'Udogachi. Onye ya pụtasa atịrị ịtụ aka na onye a na-enwe onye a nwe one dekin, onwe two dekin, onwe shop, onwe boys na alụlụ ya ọlụ, enwe legal business oji aka. If not ndị ala, ndị kulos, ndị mkpụrụ mmiri, I said it earlier. And anything the on uniform no na Igbo is a problem to Ndigbo. An average Igbo man feeds on people's pain. I will keep saying it. An average Igbo wicked man, an average Igbo wicked woman feed on people's pain. That uniform Udogachi, mmadụ one yi na bụrụ ndị Udogachi. That uniform ndị Udogachi, mmadụ one yi na bụrụ ndị Udogachi. Many of them gbakpu n'ime security network nọ na Igbo in order to escape their crime record, in order to escape to command respect forcefully from people, in order to steal and to enrich themselves. Because on what case investigation n'ime Udogachi, ihe afọ ndị oshi nọ n'ime ya, ihe afọ ndị Yahoo nọ n'ime ya, ihe afọ ndị akantụtụ nọ n'ime ya, using it to shield themselves for the evil Hania committee in the land also. No uniform Udogachi, opposing that the law is empowering him or her to do what they are doing. When you get with a problem, or just following Udogachi, I better touch again. When you get a mother with a problem, all Udogachi, I better touch again. Una say that this thing may last 2 months. Then what are you people doing since that last month? Udogachi ya no line kidnap ndị mmadụ. Udogachi ya no police na-eme mmadụ. Kita amazi ndị bondi. Kita amazi ndị bondi. Kedu ebe ha si onye bile ha egbe? Who are those people? Who are their family members? What is their past record? Are they mentally stable? Before na ebi ha egbe, had they good mentally stable first of all? Then Ndocha actually deport one policeman maka na obogene illegal immigrant. ha na-achị deport ya, kwanye logo na police ha na-akwado deport ya, just that the court allow him to live in his own times. Upon none na police, still they found him and they decide to deport him. Onye Jamaica ka ọ bụ. How many people know Udogachi vigilante ejegolo nga today? Government assign and ajela nga eje prove ya right na this people no na nga. Those illegal station nina, illegal cell nina amount no na Igbo, how many of them has been disbanded? How many of them has been found justice that has been done to the victim? Soludo, it's time for you to wake up. Well, I can mechie ihe anu igbepete. Well, I can mechie ya ka ima no so vigilante no. Obuku no ha aka emechie da vigilante ya. Onye ọbụla azobi isi onwe ya, chebe onwe ha na ezinụlọ ha. Ndị Udogachi, how can you people in your own right senses jejide mmadụ gịnị ka unu emunu etibe nwaanyị ihe gidi tigide ya teacher to the center igbo ya auto police apatasi ya ihe that na that in my last month. Okay, now me those people that committed that act, where are they? Kedebe hano that gene na yijide ha agba ha ọtọ na public. That is why most and nature and say sometimes see mekene mad, see mekene some people jungle justice. So that let the fear be created. And man ejide kwa gino di ha. This is your own fate. Ihe ni na broke ebe ejide gị agba amwago ọkụ tụọ gị taya n'isi mwago ọkụ so that ka ndị ọzọ wee mụta. A na-eme ya eme. Idisband ha. Mana onye achụ na Udogachi ọpụta ọba vigilante. Onye achụ na vigilante tomorrow ọba police. Often na gịnị ya eme na police ọma otu isi n'ime anti squad, anti nke anụ, anti nke ọzọ na-ewu ewu otu isi dị ya. Ka ihe na-eme na wee nwoke ike eme gịnị na-eme. It's just so shameful. Soludo biko disband this terrorist organization anụ bụ Udogachi ha si dị apụa because they are beginning to terrorize the life of the people of Anambra State. How many families are suffering today because maybe their breadwinner has been paid by this Udogachi anụ recklessly. Nobody has been arrested and no justice has been served. Is it not a tight time for you to disband them? Kahanawa, they are not helping the public. They are not doing anything. They are not doing anything. They are part and parcel of the crimes and the tears of Anambra State today. Everything they hijack here to their own selfish gain. Soludo, the earlier the better for you, because these people will be your downfall in election, because people are beginning to cry too much. Anything on uniform is a problem to Ndigbo. Anything on uniform, whether police, vigilante, road safety, VIO, as long as you on uniform, Square Bolonde Task Force, they are problem to themselves and to the people of Ndahano Anache. Call the one.